Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the third, no, it's not the third, the fourth and last puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, August the 30th, 2022. I've already solved the 3 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku and the binary, and it's time now for the Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese. Yes, in Japanese they call it Suguru. In Dutch they call it Cypher block. Yes, Cypher block with 4 stars. Is this really 4 stars? I do not know. We will see, but this will be number 5098. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 13, so it could be a hard one, could be an easy one. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. We will see if this is really a 4 star. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes here in this puzzle? Yeah, here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Here also. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. Here another one. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes. Oh no. We have another one, the 4th. Yes, 4 dual boxes contains the 1 and the 2. Okay. Triple boxes now. I think we have only 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, the 2 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 1 or 8, 3. I do not know in which order. And when you see a triple box, remember the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, the 4 is already filled in. Triple boxes, quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more? Here, another one. Rotated. This box has the same name as that box. Here, another one. Mirrored. This box is connected with that box. Alright, 3 of them. Then, the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 3. But we already have a 1 here, so it cannot be a 1 anymore. It should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3. 1 box left in this triple box for the number 1. Alright. So this box is connected with that box. Okay. Here another 1. This box has the same number as that box. So should be a 3. Okay. Only 2 of them. Yes. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape upside down. Yeah. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. So this box has the same name as that box. But also, that box has the same name as this box. That box has the same name as this box. Only 1 T shape. Do we have more shapes that you need to recognize? Let me scan. Nope. only 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then it's easy. The following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a 1 here, double 1 here. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Same for the 2. We have a double 2 there. I cannot place the 2 in one of those 2 boxes. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 and a 2. We have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. And that box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4. It goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. We see another 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Then 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, let me mark those. 3 and 4, okay. Then, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here, so it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1 supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5, 3 and 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. 3 and 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. That box can be 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this area for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 5 there, because if I place the 5 there, this box has the same number as that box. Should be also a 5 here. But we already have a 5 there, so it's not a solution to place the 5 there. The 5 supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 1 or a 2, because we have a double 1 here, double 2 there. So no 1 and a 2 in those 2 boxes. But also, this box can be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 here and double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. And this box is connected with that box. So 1 or a 2. This box can be 3. That box can be a 4. So here can be 3 and a 4. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Okay. Alright. This box can be a 1 or a 2 because we have a 1 and a 2. We have a double 1 here and a double 2 there. So here can be a 1 and a 2. But also that box. Oh, wait. Not the solution. Not this solution. No, I need more. Well. Okay. I need to wait. Two. Well, these two boxes can be a 2, but also those two boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area should be here. 3. Okay. I'm thinking. 5. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. And now. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. 1, 2, and 3. Well. 3 and 5, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. 1, 2. Think. 1, 2, 5. 4. Ay. Need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Come on. It's taking too long. 1, 4, 5. 2 or 3. 2 or 3. Yeah. Oh, of course. Overlooked. These two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 2. Here we have 3 and 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, this box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, this box should be a 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1, those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Then. 1, 3, 2 or a 4. Come on, it's taking too long. Well, we have a double 2 here. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Then, let me see, 3 and 5. Come on, it's taking too long. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this T-shape area for number 4. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore, that box should be 3, and this box should be a 5. Alright. These two, oh, wait. 1, 4. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. But it's not helping me, this. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we already have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Alright. 1, 2, 5. Let me think. Come on. It's taking too long. 3 and 4. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And we need a 3 also. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. So 3 or a 4, okay. 2 and the 4. Overlook something. Here also 2 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Well. I think this box should be a 5. Why? Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Okay, so this box can be 5, this box can be 2, so the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well. Is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this 2 stars because I'm faster than 20 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. Also a playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the samurai Sudoku, aka quintuplet. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We will meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.